Robert, how you doing this morning? Well, I just want to, say a few things. When me and Quita were talking about, Grandma and everything that she was and everything that she did for everyone. One thing that I thought about was Psalms 34. And it says, I will bless the Lord at all times, and his praise shall continually be in my mouth. And so that's a scripture that we all hear all the time. We all shout and run around. But one thing that, we have to realize is that what that is really saying is that in the ups, in the downs, in the middle grounds, that I'm going to give God praise anyway. And so do I have a church this morning that will give God some praise, that will celebrate the legacy of Grandma Squeaky. And so we just going to sing this song and get out your way. Give me a little more volume, please.
And anybody who knows she likes all kinds of music. One of her favorite songs was a song that Mark wrote called Brighter Day.
Blessed be your name in the land that is plentiful, where the streams of abundance flow. Blessed be your name. Blessed be your name, though I'm found in the desert place, though I walk through the wilderness. Blessed be your name. Every blessing you pour out, turn back to praise. When the darkness closes in, Lord, still I will say, blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious name.
Blessed be your name when the sun's shining down on me, when the world's all as it should be. Blessed be your name. name of the Lord. Blessed be your